Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change keyboard language on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. To do so we need to go to the settings, then over here scroll all the way down and go to system. Now over here choose keyboard and then go to on-screen keyboard and select your keyboard. In your case it will probably be Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this device. And then over here we can go to languages and we can press add keyboard. Now over here you can select a new language. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Over here we have some additional options at the top where we have the layout, and we can also enable and disable multilingual typing, and then we can press done. And now over here we can also press this pen in the top right corner in order to delete unwanted languages. Now if you want to keep at least 2 languages, you can still change them while typing. So when you open the keyboard you can press and hold your finger on the space, and then you can change the language on the keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.